How to start earning at any age. Do you want to make some extra money for yourself at being just 13 or even 30? Then let me tell you that you have landed on the right video. Today we will talk about different sources by which you can earn money, each target different age. Hi, this is the Financial Educator, where we provide you with helpful information about finances, investing and income. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to get informed when we release a new video. Lastly, give this video a huge thumbs up, and now let's move on to our video. Now let's just dig into our list today, which is about how you can make money at different ages and also how you can upgrade your income levels as well to even earn more. Well, first of all, let me tell you that it is possible to earn when at the age of 13. Seriously, I am not kidding. I will talk about different ages level and how they can make money. First of all, I'll talk about teenagers that are from 13 to 16 years old about how they can earn money. 1. Service business. The first thing on our list is service business. You don't know about this? Then let me tell you. It's like kind of a part-time job, but you do it when you just want to. You can do many different things. You can take others' dog for a walk and they will charge you per hour. As a kid, you can even play with these dogs as well. So eventually you will get paid for playing. Isn't it great? But if you are afraid of dogs, then there are many other options for you as well. You can wash cars as well. It does demand a little hard work, but you will get paid for your work, right? So, it's not a bad option at all. 2. Selling candy. The second thing on our list is selling candies. Yes, you heard just right. As a kid, it's a great source of income. You can easily sell candies or chocolates to your classmates or even to other students out of your class as well. You can buy local candies from the shop near your house and sell them with a little profit just to make some extra cash. Beside this, almost every kid has a relative that live in other country and always bring lots of chocolate whenever they visit, so you can sell those candies as well. There will be 100% profit. 3. Become a referee. The third thing on our list for you is to become a referee. You can earn money by just blowing whistles in the field. First, become a referee in your school games, and then if you do the best job, you can blow whistles in the field outside of your school as well. You can charge $10 to $16 per game. When you become a referee in 3 games per week means that you can earn up to $50 per week. I think this is the great option if you love games. I mean, you are just getting paid for being in the game. Now let's move on to other age group. How you can earn money when you are between 16 to 18 years old. I mean, really, you can't sell candies when you are 18. 1. Start a YouTube channel. The very first thing for our 16 to 18 years old group is to start a YouTube channel. You must have heard about this from many other people and other YouTubers as well. So believe me, this can pay you so much more than you can think. Like I have always mentioned in my previous videos as well, that it is not something from which you will start earning money from the very day first. It is kind of a long-term investment. When you know how to make videos, and also the important thing, if you love to make videos, then make your channel right now. 2. Become a tutor. The second thing on our list is become a tutor. Yes, this is something that can pay you a good amount. Also, if you have made a YouTube channel by now, then you can give online lessons as well. If you are good in math, you can teach math online and also to your students in person as well. This thing will keep your mind active, sharp, and you will even learn things for yourself as well. Start this today. If you have any skill, you know, a language or anything, you can teach. There are many people who wants to be better at the skill that you have, so teach them. 3. Drop shipping or affiliate marketing. The third thing on our list is drop shipping or affiliate marketing. If you have started a YouTube channel, then you can do affiliate marketing as well. Well, you don't really need a YouTube channel to do affiliate marketing. If you have a good fan following on any other social media. The biggest and trusted platform for affiliate marketing is Amazon. You just have to select through a wide range of products and have to sell it online. Whenever a customer will buy the product from your link, you will earn the commission from it. Basically, you don't have to do a lot of hard work. You just have to build a good fan following and you are ready to go. 4. Sell an extra service. The fourth thing on our list is sell an extra service. You can take it as a part-time job. You can manage it easily. You just have to cut down some few hours of your relaxation and spend them into earning money for yourself. If you don't want to do a part-time job, then you can go for some extra services. Like I mentioned in the previous age group, that you can wash cars. Now when you are 16 or 18, then you can do even more work to earn more money. Now let's move on to our next age group, which is between 18 to 29 years old. When you get bigger, you can earn more as well. With this list you can make up to $600 to $1,000 per month easily. 1. House hacking. The first thing on our list is house hacking. If you are 18 or older, then you must own a house or apartment all for yourself as well. If you don't, then you can share your room even. House hacking is like living in one side of the house and renting the other side. In this way you can earn extra money and even can live for free in your own house. I know you must be thinking that you are already living for free in your own, but you are not. 2. Freelancer. The second thing on our list is to become a freelancer. At the age you must own a skill or a talent that people are wishing to pay you for. Like I mentioned in one of my previous video that if you know how to do something, then just don't do it for free. If you know how to write, then become a freelancer. People will pay you for writing articles and other stuff. If you know how to edit videos, then you can edit them for those people who are willing to pay you. You just have to do what you love to or know how to how it for some cash. 3. Sell your own product. The third thing on our list is to sell your own products. If you have already started a YouTube channel or start building your social media account, then now you can sell your own products. If you are already doing affiliate marketing, then you can easily sell your own product, as you must have the experience by now how to write good description and how to make your followers into buying products. Just start selling your own products and have all the profit for yourself instead of some commission. 4. Running ads. The fourth thing on our list, running ads. For this you must have a YouTube channel or a good fan following on any other social media site like Facebook or Instagram. If you have good fan following on any of these social sites, then you can run ads on your social media and earn money from that. It's kind of a promotion. You just have to promote a product, a website or anything on your social media account, and then the company will pay you for this. It's a good source to earn good cash by doing almost nothing. Now let's move on to our last group, which is for people who are 30 plus 1. Rental property. The first thing on our list is rental property. When you are 30 plus, then you can easily buy a good property by yourself. Just buy some few cheap houses or apartments and give them on rent. You will earn a huge amount of money from the just by doing noting. I know you have to invest a lot of money, but you will earn a good amount of money just by relaxing at home. If you don't have enough money, then just start by buying a single house. From that rent money, save some extra cash to buy more house, and in this way you can build a whole chain of house renting and can earn easily too. Coach others. The second thing on this list is to coach others. When you are 30 plus, you get enough experience about life and different things that you can easily teach other and can consult them as well. Like I always mention, I will mention it again here as well, that what you know, don't do it for free. You can share your experience and can consult them accordingly by getting paid. At this age you must have mastered a skill as well, so you can teach these skills to people who are willing to pay you. That was all for this video. If you have any question or want us to cover a specific topic about finance, investment or income, please leave a comment. Alright, that does it. See you in the next video.